Hey everyone, today we are going to prepare an authentic chicken dish, that is Chicken Dak Bungalow. We everyone heard about Dak Bungalows. These were the restroom in the Dak Routes or Postal Routes during British era. So caretakers or Khanshamas used to prepare this dish with readily available spices and ingredients. It is said that they used to prepare this dish when they heard the sound of horses indicating someone arrived. So the cooking time or preparation time is also very less. So let's start.
We are taking around 500 grams of chicken. To marinate the chicken, we are adding 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Add 100 ml of curd to it. Adding mustard oil to it. Give it a good mix. Now, for the more time you marinate, the better will be the taste. However, we have marinated it for 30 minutes considering it's a quick preparation. Now we are preparing ginger garlic paste in a mixer grinder. It's done. Now we are cutting 4 medium-sized onions for our gravy preparation. Cut the potatoes into 2 halves. Now adding potatoes is one of the specialities of this dish. It imparts great taste and flavor to it. Fry the potatoes till they turn golden brown. Now we are going to fry boiled eggs coated with turmeric. Fry it till 1 minute. Adding some more oil for curry preparation, adding dry red chili, adding bay leaves, adding 2 to 3 cardamoms, adding 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks. Now fry them till about 1 minute. Now we are adding the chopped onions to it. Adding sugar at this point will impart a rich brown color to the onions as well as the curry. We are adding the ginger garlic paste. Give them a good mix till the onion turns translucent and soft. Adding slit chilies. Add salt as per taste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Just keep in mind that we had also added chili powder during marination. Add half teaspoon garam masala. Give it a good mix. Add half teaspoon jeera powder. Mix it well. Now add the marinated chicken. Mix it properly. Adding the fried potato. Prick the fried boiled eggs so that the flavor of the curry gets into it. We are tasting the curry masala. Felt like the salt is on a lower side, so we are adding a bit of a salt. Now as the curry masala is almost done, we will be adding 1 glass of water for curry formation. Give it a good mix. Adding half glass of water again. Now our chicken duck bungalow is ready to serve. Serve it hot with steamed rice. The chicken curry looks extremely delicious. Hope you all enjoyed our preparation of chicken duck bungalow. Please do like, share and comment on our videos how you liked it, and subscribe to our channel Taste Bubble and press the bell icon for our latest updates.